Hello YouTube modeling community. Welcome to Morris Custom Model Shop. James Morris here, saying God bless all here. Well, today I've got the final reveal on the little green Toyota truck I've been building. I got it all finished up. I'm going to tell you, I took the scallop decals for it out of the 62 Buick Electra AMT kit. And AMT round two, I've got one word for you: cartograph. Those decals are terrible in that kit. They just, if you don't have your water really warm, they just shred. They come apart. I really fought with them. One tip I'll give you all for modeling decals is hot water. Really warm water. I'm like a lot of you, my shop is upstairs and my nearest water source is in the kitchen. Time I run down there and get a pan of hot water and get back up here, it's already cooling off. So I came up with an idea. I got a little 1.5 quart size crock pot that the wife wasn't using anymore. Brought it up here and I keep water in it, and when I'm going to decal, I'll plug it in, let it get hot, and I'll transfer some water into a pan and do my decals. And as the water cools off, which takes about 5 minutes in the wintertime, even upstairs like this inside the house, so I'll put it back in and get me some fresh out. If it wasn't for really warm water, I've never got these decals on this car. That's about it for right now, so here's how it turned out. You can see these were the decals out of that 62 Electra. I kind of cut them apart and used them in different methods, and you know, fixed them like that. I like the looks of the truck. I'm calling it Japanese Shamrock. So I'm really pleased with this one. This is the one that's pleased me most of anything I've built in quite a while. Got my little trademark cross right there between the two scallops on the back. There's your Dapper Devil on the bed liner. I think all in all it turned out really nice. I need to raise the back end up and make it a little leveler. There we go. That looks better. Now I use the Molotov chrome pins on the outside mirrors, and I'm just pleased to death with the way those things work. They do a fantastic job. Some of the guys on Facebook or YouTube, somebody had asked about what will take that chrome off of a painted surface. Well, I did some tests, and an alcohol pad like these that I use for diabetic testing, they'll take it right off of a painted surface. I put it on a flat black painted dashboard and let it dry, and used the pad and just wiped it right off. And I just wiped off half of the line that I put on there just to make sure that it didn't affect the whole thing. The only thing I will tell you, if you use Future on your car as a clear coat, don't use the alcohol pad. Alcohol will affect the Future. I found that out the hard way too. But you can use it on any kind of enamels or like that, and it'll take that chrome right off. And there it is. Hope you like it. I'm real pleased with it. Like I say, I like it better than any I've done in quite a while. So I'm real pleased with it. I thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. If you have any questions about the way it was built or anything like that, just shoot me a message. Be glad to answer any and all questions and inquiries. For the time being, that's it. Thank y'all very much. Have a great day.